Good morning student, myself Millie Sankla, and in today's session our structure analysis part 1 we solve the example of SI and KI, and again we continue with SI and KI of truss in our topic fundamental. Okay, now here first we find out SI and KI of truss, and first of all we find SI and then we find out KI. Right here make a heading SI of truss. Okay, now what is the equation of truss? Truss is equal to ds is equal to dac plus dsi. Now dse for given truss is equal to capital R minus small r, and dsi is equal to m plus r minus 2 into j. Now one by one, first of all we find out the unknown values, that is capital R, then small r, okay, then number of joint, number of member. Okay, now one by one, first is equal to capital R, number of support reaction. First support is our hinge support 1 and 2, second support is hinge support 1 and 2. Write down capital R is equal to 4, small r is equal to our static condition, that is 3. Number of joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in this truss 6 joint is given. Now member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. M is equal to 9. Now one by one put the value in the equation. Capital R is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now M is equal to 9, small r is equal to 3, then 2 into joint is given 6. Now 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, my dsi for given truss is equal to 0. Now ds is equal to dac 1, dsi is equal to 0, and my answer is equal to 1. Here answer is positive. What is the statement? Given truss is equal to stable and indeterminate to first degree. Okay, given truss is stable and indeterminate to first degree. Okay, now second make a heading ki of truss. Okay, now we find out ki of truss. Now notation of ki is equal to dk and equation is equal to 2j minus r. Okay, 2 and j for joint is equal to 6, that we already find out. Then 6 into 2 and r is equal to 4. Okay, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now verify this answer, 8 is right or wrong. Okay, here first, that means this joint is allowing for horizontal and vertical, this joint is allowing for horizontal and vertical, this joint is allowing for horizontal and vertical, and this joint is also allowing for horizontal and vertical. That means first degree of freedom, second degree of freedom, here degree of freedom, and this degree of freedom. Hinge support is allowing for moment, but why we can't take it? Because truss is subjected to only axial forces. Again hinge support is allowing for moment, but we can't take it because truss is subjected to only and only axial force. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My 8 answer is right. Now find out dk NAD, and dk NAD is equal to dk minus m. dk is equal to 8 and m is equal to number of displacement of joint. Here displacement of joint is also 8, so 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now we solve another example of truss. Okay, again identify the given figure is truss or any figure. Here shape is triangles, that means this given figure is truss. First of all write down SI of truss. Okay, make a heading SI of truss. Okay, now what is the equation? SI is equal to ds summation of dac plus dsi, and dac is equal to capital R minus small r, and dsi is equal to m plus r minus 2 J. Now one by one find out unknown values. Capital R, small r, okay, then M, and second is given J for joint. Now what is capital R? First support is hinge, vertical and horizontal. Second support is again hinge, vertical and horizontal. 1 plus 1 2 3 4, R is equal to 4, small r is equal to 3, M is equal to member 1 2 3 4. Here 4 member is given, 4. Now joint 1 2 3 and 4. In given truss 4 number of joint is given. Now one by one put the values. Capital R is equal to 4, small r is equal to 3, 1, and number of member 4, small r is equal to 3, then 2 into J we find out 4. Okay, here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 4 into 2, that is 8. Our answer is minus 1. That means this given truss is internally unstable. Okay, because DSI is equal to minus 1, that means our answer is negative. This given truss is internally unstable. But what is the effect of total figure? DS is equal to DSE plus DSI. That means DSE is equal to 1 and DSI is equal to minus 1, 0. So truss is stable and determinate. Here our answer is stable and determinate because our unknown force is 0. But according to this answer, this internal truss is right here, truss is internal unstable. Okay, internal unstable because answer is negative, but our overall structure is stable and determinate. Okay, now we find out, second we find out Ki of truss. What is the equation of Ki? Dk is equal to 2J minus R. Okay, now 2 into J for joint. Joint is equal to 4. And R we find out 4. 4 to the 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. My 4 answer is right or wrong? Verify. Hinge support is allowing for moment, but by can't consider. Hinge support is allowing for moment, but we can't consider. And this joint is allowing for horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical. That means this truss is allowing for 4 degree of freedom. My answer is right. Now we find out dk NAD. dk NAD is equal to dk minus m. dk we find out 4 and number of displacement is equal to also 4. That means 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here our SI and KI of truss is complete. Now we take another, that is frame. Okay, SI and KI of frame. Again here if frame is not mentioned, how you identify this given figure is frame? If member of given geometry is perpendicular to each other, that means it is in form of rectangle. This is the simple example of frame. Okay, here look at this. Member are perpendicular to each other. Okay, now first we find out SI. So make a heading SI of frame. Okay, now SI of frame equation DS is equal to DAC plus DSI. Okay, what is the equation of DAC? DAC is equal to capital R minus small r, and DSI is equal to, here no internal hinge is not given, so our equation is equal to 3C. Okay, now one by one we write down the unknown values. First of all, capital R, then small r and C. Capital R is means support condition, fix 1, 2 and 3, and here roller support, so 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Small r is equal to 3, and C is equal to member of area enclosed by member of frame. Here no area enclosed by member of frame, so C is equal to 0. Okay, C means area enclosed by member of frame, but look at this, all frame is open frame. Okay, so C is equal to 0. Now one by one put the values here. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and 3 into C is equal to 0. Now total DS is equal to DAC 1 and DSI is 0, that means 1. Now what is the statement for this frame? Our answer is positive. So right here, given frame is stable and indeterminate to stable and indeterminate to first degree. Okay, here we write down stable and indeterminate to first degree. Now second heading, Ki of frame. Okay, now Ki of frame equation, dk is equal to 3j minus r. Okay, here we find out j is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. J for joint 4. 3 into j is equal to 4 minus r, we find out 4. Now 4 3s are 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Verify this answer, it is right or wrong. Here fixed support is given. Fixed support allowing for 0 degree of freedom. Vertical roller support is allowing for horizontal and moment. This joint is allowing for horizontal, vertical and moment. Okay, and this free joint is also allowing from 3 degree of freedom. Okay, 1, 2, this 3 and this one 0. Total 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8. My answer is right. Now we find out dk and AD. So right here, dk and AD is equal to dk minus m. 8 dk is equal to m, and for frame m is equal to number of member. So neglect 1, 2 and 3. Here m is equal to given, write down m is equal to 3 number of member. So m is equal to 3, and my final answer dk and AD 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, now we solve second example of frame. Okay, here I take again open frame. Okay, then the next session we solve the example of cell area and internal hinge. Okay, first we find out SI of frame. So write SI of frame. Okay, and for this given frame, my ds is equal to dse plus dsi. Okay, and dse is equal to capital R minus small r, and dsi is equal to 3c. First of all, write down unknown values, capital R, small r, c, then member and also joint. One by one, capital R, fix, that means 3 is a 9. Small r is equal to 3. Cell area enclosed by member of frame. Here no area enclosed by member of frame, so c is equal to 0. Number of member 1, 2 and 3. So right here 3. J for joint 1, 2, 3 and this middle joint 4. J is equal to 4. Now put the values in equation. Capital R is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Then cell area is equal to 0. So 0. What is the equation of ds? ds is equal to 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Answer is positive. So right here, given frame is stable and indeterminate. Given frame is stable and indeterminate to 6th degree. If answer is 0, then given frame is stable and determinate. If answer is negative, then given frame is unstable. Now second, find out Ki of frame. Okay, Ki of frame. Equation of Ki, dk is equal to 3j minus r. 3j is given 4 and r is equal to 9. 4 3s are 12 and minus 9. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Now my 3 answer is right or wrong. Verify. Fixed support is allowing for 0 degree of freedom, 0 degree of freedom, 0 degree of freedom, and this joint is allowing for 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that is my 3 answer is right. Now we find out dk and AD. dk and AD is equal to dk minus m. That means dk is equal to 3 and m is equal to given 3. Remember, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That means for this given frame, my nucleic axial deformation is equal to 0. Okay, just now we stop here. In today's session we solve the example of truss and from both. Now next session we solve the example of frame and grid. Okay.